Hello everyone, good morning. Myself Prasanna, coordinator for LMS from Technical Education Department. The purpose of this video is to show the procedure of uploading content by moderator. We have received login credentials of all moderators from 6 main engineering branches, that is computer science, mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, and automobile. The allied branches login credentials for moderators will be done by Monday, and the same thing will be shared to respective moderators. This video is same for both allied and main every branch. The procedure is same. Only thing is their login credentials is not received yet because the data was not clean. That is the purpose, first purpose of this video. And second is most of us have not started creating content for practical sessions. So for that, I have a list of contact person for content uploading as well as practical. You can contact the person which is I'll be sharing with you along with this video, and I'll be showing the contact here also. You can contact them if you have any doubt about practical recording of practical experiments. The recording of practical experiment for at least first 4 practical experiment should be done by next week. For example, in computer science, we have only programming language labs other than computer networking administration lab. For that, we've already identified a moderator. The recording will be done in the lab using all the equipments. One college, one institution has to be identified where all the equipments and the manpower is perfect. That will be done. You can contact either Sukanya ma'am or Usha madam for any query about recording the lab. So the second purpose is to convey to you all of you that the practical experiment or the lab should be recorded at least for first 4 experiment by first of next week. I'm recording this on Saturday. So by Monday, Tuesday, or by end of the Tuesday, we should have at least one experiment in our LCMS portal for all the practical subjects. Okay, so having said that, this is the list of contact person that you should be sharing. I'll share my screen now. You can see the screen for computer science, for content uploading, and for practical recording of sessions. You can contact either Sukanya ma'am or Usha ma'am. The contact number is there. Same for mechanical, electrical, electronics, automobile, and civil. For allied branch, the contact details will be shared once the login credentials for the moderator of allied branch is ready. And for any technical issue, you can contact me. My contact number is shared here. You can contact me for any technical issue while uploading the content. If your subject name is not available, if you have duplicate units in the subcategory, if your subject name is not proper, if it is not mapped, for any of this technical issue, you can call back me. Fine, so we'll start. This is our LMS portal. You can see here, we have both English and Kannada. I'll share this link with you along with the video. The login credentials also I'll be sharing with you. We are for now concentrating on 6 main branches, and all the moderators of these 6 main branches have to start uploading the content. Previously, we have uploaded the content by using our man force and the task force and by you. That is not there now since the schema has changed. All the data which was mapped previously is flushed out of the database. We'll have to start from fresh. That's one point. Talking about login credentials, your phone number is your login ID, and password is common password for all of you. In the first login, compulsorily you should change your password. That is first step. And all the moderators, I request these contact this task force members to intimate all the moderators that changing password is the first step that should be done by 12 o'clock today, so that the password won't be misused. And this video should not be shared outside moderators. Should not be shared outside moderators. That is second point. Fine. I'll be sharing that link. We'll take this number, that is the login ID. Click login. Enter your phone number which you shared in the moderator list. Password is, for now, you can see the password. W is capital, that is welcome at 123. Select university as Government Polytechnic. Press login. For the first time, you'll be asked to change your password. Enter the current password. So reset your password. So this the one which I'm changing. I will be communicating this to Radha madam. So in the first login, I've changed the password. So this is Radha madam's moderator dashboard. This software is alpha version, the one which was available. We're using it now. The requirement analysis is more or less complete. By next 1 or 2 months, we'll be getting the actual LMS portal, which is according to our requirements. For now, we're using the one which was already available, that we call it an alpha version. That is the first release. Data would be there. The same data would be migrated to the beta version. The beta version would have more options like assessment, data dashboard, or something like that. So I'll show you how to upload the content now. This is the dashboard of Radha madam. We'll have to go to administration tab. You have three categories listed under you. LCMS, that is the lecture management, learning management portal, the cloud space where you should create and manage the content. And the second thing is course catalog, where you'll be creating session. The process works in two steps. First, you should go to LCMS, upload all three contents, that is presentation, study material, and video here. After that, you go back to course catalog, create a session by combining all three material into one session. Fine. So we'll start. So before that, I'll show you. I've already kept all the things ready. See here in the CSC, I'll be showing demo of programming with C. That is Radha madam's subject. She's moderator for computer science programming in C. I have unit 1 and the one under unit 1, we have session 1, we have study material and presentation. I'm not copied assessment since we're not uploading. And for video, I already have this list for the same subject. Unit 1, session 1 video link is here. All the videos are uploaded into YouTube. And link is maintained in this manner. A Google Sheet is there where we are maintaining all the YouTube link for each and every session. Right? The data is ready. So go back. Yeah, this I've deleted, sorry, recorded previously for the purpose of making sure that everything is fine. I've deleted everything now. There's nothing in LCMS. Fine. So the first step is I'll go back, go to LCMS, click on document. We're uploading a study presentation and study material first. Please plus icon, choose the file. We are already in unit 1, session 1. This is the folder where I'm keeping all this data. Select presentation. Naming should be like this: CSC underscore subject code 15 CS 31 T underscore U1 underscore ES1 underscore, since it is presentation PR. Same we are using here, same you could use. Copy and paste same thing in metadata and description also. This would be default values, version 1.0, English, duration. If it is not there, you enter the same thing. Make sure this is on, that is mobile compatible, and create module should be on. Otherwise, module is not created. If module is not created, you will not be able to attach this module into the session. So make sure this and this are kept on. By default, this have been enabled. Fine. So this is the first document. Click save. So it will take some time, not because of software, because my internet is too slow. You can see the first document is here. Fine. If you want to change anything like you missed name or something, you select and edit. Don't do that because once uploading itself, while creating document itself, you should make sure everything is proper. Now the study material has to be uploaded. Same way, the naming convention, you can use the same thing. This is study material. So 15 CS 31T underscore U1 underscore S1 underscore SY study material. So you can copy paste the same thing in metadata and description. See, this has to be the same name, CSE. Follow the naming convention because while you are creating sessions, once there are too many documents, no, all the moderators will be uploading to the same cloud. All the files will be dumped into the same space. It is very tough to search your file. So for that reason, and in the later point of time also, while migrating or changing something, it is always advisable and should be done in this way, like branch code, that is CSCMECEAT underscore subject code underscore U1 S1 unit 1 session 1, if it is unit 2 U2 S2 S3 something like that. Presentation PR study material SY video PA. Fine. Now see, somehow this has not been enabled. Enable that. Keep version as one. Select language as English. Duration, something 30, 20, whatever. Save. You could see after uploading, we'll have two documents now. So the next step is having a YouTube video. I repeat again. Click on YouTube video, more videos. Click on YouTube videos. Click plus. Copy your YouTube link. Paste it here. Naming convention is same. CSE 15 CS 31 T U1 S1 V I. Copy and paste the same thing here. Enable both of them. This is already there. Keep it as it is. If it is not there, give it as version 1, language English, duration. Make sure name is proper. Save. The previous video which I've deleted. So for that it is telling that there's a duplicate record. Same thing. It will take some time because I've deleted video now. So for now I'll create the second module. Unit 1 session 2 document also. I'll upload the second module document. Later we'll do for first module. So document I should upload the second module now since first module video is not ready yet. Second session I mean to say. Study material second session CSE underscore 15 CS 31T U1 S2 session 2. I'm creating session 2 and uploading session 2 study material and presentation also. Keep it mobile compatible, create module on. See, the problem that we face now, that duplicate record, previously while checking whether it was working fine or not, I've uploaded the same video and deleted it again. But that video link is still there in the LCMS database, which has not been flushed out, so it is telling duplicate record. For that, I'm creating, uploading and showing you how to create a session using second session material. The first one I'll do it later. Fine, this is study material. And I should upload the presentation also for session 2. This is presentation of session 2. Session 2 PR. Fine. Presentation it is PR for study material it is SY. See somehow even though that guy says all this are enabled, it is not enabled in some cases. Keep all these fields filled. Version 1, language English, duration 30, mobile compatible, yes, create module, yes, save. Now we have session 1 presentation on study material, session 2 presentation on study material, but video we have only for session 2. I'll try uploading video for session 1 now. CSE underscore 15 CS 31T underscore U1 underscore S1 underscore VI. I'll make this version 2 so that it will be easy for me to upload. Click record. So this needs some time before I could be able to upload video 1. So I'll be showing how to create session 2. Fine. So we have video for session 2. We have document for session 2. So now our next task is to create a session using these 3 documents. The session 1 video I'll upload later and create a session for that. Go back to administration, go to course catalog, in the session catalog, press on add new button. Code is same, CSE underscore 15 CS 31T underscore U1 underscore S1. Course title programming with C unit 1 session 2. We are creating for session 2, so this has to be 2 again. Got it? Unit 1 session 2. Because session 1 video we have not uploaded it. Select subject here, avoided all the subject. If some subject are missing for you, please let me know. PPP programming with C. This is unit 1. So select unit 1, that is introduction to C language. Enable this. This is important. Enable this. Select the color which you want. For now, thumbnail is not working. As I said, it is alpha model. So select a solid color to identify that subject. Once everything is ready, you can select something to represent, C language icon or a picture to represent this session. So this is first step. You're giving metadata of the session. Now you'll have to upload attach the document which is related to this. Click plus. See, once all the moderators start uploading their content, there'll be too much content here once you click plus icon. So use search model. This is where the naming convention play a very major role. 15 CS 31T underscore U1 underscore S2. Search. See, all the space available. First add video and U1 S2. Then next add this one. What is it? Presentation. U1 S2. This is presentation. Oh, this is not visible. Presentation. U1 S2 presentation. Make sure you are adding the proper one. Next, study material. U1 S2 study material. S2 study material. Fine. You have a YouTube video. U1 S2 presentation. U1 S2 study material. Enable this session status. Click save. See, this session 1 is created with the code 15CS31T U1 S2. Title Programming with C Unit 1 Session 2. Type e-learning. Assessment, it is not on yet. Feedback, no. This should be active because if you don't enable this, They should this will become inactive. So you should enable this. They should be active. Sequence, you click here. If there are multiple versions of video, the sequence should be like this. Like the previous version should be here and the present version should be on the top. For now, we'll just have one version. Just click there to see that if you have uploaded the proper content. U1S2, U1S2, U1S2 presentation, study material, video. See? So this is one session. Uh, for any queries, contact these people. Thank you. For any technical issues, you can contact me. I'll share the screen again. For any subject related queries for respective branch, you can contact these many people. For technical issues like your subject is not available, you cannot see your subject, you can contact me. My number is here. I'll be sharing this list along with this video. So once you're done, you just logged out. To check here whether all the things are working. We have 4 videos, 4 content for 2 session, 1 video. I'll upload session 1 video later. So for computer science for Radha madam, 2 sessions will be created. I'll be sharing her the password which I've changed. For this, you'll have to start from scratch. This is common area like programming in C, Java, whatever, strength of material, all the content would be here. So naming convention play a very major role while searching and making sure that you create a proper sessions. Thank you for watching. For any queries, call me back or your respective team members. Thank you.